Well, good morning! Welcome to Adventures in TV Land! Today is day 3 of my long journey home. Hopefully it will be the last day of the long journey home and I will arrive at home sometime later this evening, later tonight. So, welcome to this adventure and I hope you enjoy this leg of the journey. Just went through the big section of rain and it looks like it's tapering off on this side now, so I think we're about through it. Stopped in Nashville at the Johnny Cash Museum. I'm going to the Johnny Cash Diner that is next to the Johnny Cash Museum in Nashville, Tennessee for a late breakfast. Sorry, it's called Johnny Cash's Kitchen and Saloon. So now I am Cooter's Place in Nashville, Tennessee. It is just across from the Grand Ole Opry. I'm a huge fan of the Dukes of Hazzard, and I'm eager to check this place out. When I looked at the weather yesterday afternoon before this morning, it didn't look like there was supposed to be any rain until tomorrow. Unfortunately, that has not been the case. It has been raining on and off all day today, and it's supposed to, you know, for the next couple hours, and I guess pretty much all day. I mean, there's supposed to be a break break in it coming up here, but so we'll see. Maybe as I travel, once I leave where I'm at here in Nashville and get further west, there will be a break in the rain. But right now, it's just a rainy day. It's a wild turkey. Hello, turkey. Turkey time. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble. Well, I had planned to come visit the Hermitage, which was President Andrew Jackson's home. However, they are closed. And I honestly do not know why. I thought they were reopened after COVID, but apparently they are not. So the Hermitage is still closed right now at this time. It's a little bit disappointing. It's okay. I'll just head on to the next stop on the final leg of the long journey home. Right, we're crossing the Cumberland River, and this is the I think it said Weil Memorial Bridge. Just looked like a cool kind of little bridge crossing there. Just wanted to share it with you all. I've come to the Hendersonville Memory Gardens and Funeral Home. All right, leaving Tennessee and entering Kentucky. Oh, my old Kentucky home. Oh, yeah. I've stopped off at this rest area just across the border from Tennessee. It's the Kentucky Welcome Center rest area right here. Use the restroom. There's a marker here, memorial plaque in this rock, and it has a part of a poem from Elizabeth Barrett Browning, Cry of the Children, and it's dedicated to the victims of the April 19th, 1995 Oklahoma City bombing. That's kind of cool. Right here at this rest area. Looks like there's a break in the clouds up ahead, but then another more rain above that or beyond that. So just some more on another rainy day on the road. Rainy day on the road. Keep a moving, Dan. She's a devil, not a man, and she spreads the burning sand. Do 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 with water. I've stopped to get gas here in Kentucky at a Huck's. Don't see many Huck's gas stations around anymore, at least in my neck of the woods. And look at that. I was at pump number 13. Lucky number 13. Yeah, because pump 13, number 13 is one of my lucky numbers. I have stopped at Oak Grove Cemetery in Paducah, Kentucky. To find out why, you'll have to continue watching The Adventures in TV Land for a future episode. Gotta admit, it's kind of weird and a little bit creepy driving through this old cemetery in the pouring rain. It just gives it a eerie glow and whatnot. Crossing the Ohio River now, leaving Kentucky, entering Illinois. It's really rainy. And they've got construction going on, so it makes things even worse. We just crossed over now into the state of Illinois. And there it is, yep. Welcome to Illinois, land of Lincoln. Well, twilight is upon us. I'm about an hour away from home after this 3-day-long journey, driving through the back roads here of southern Illinois. Well, the long journey home is finally over. I've arrived back home and I'm sitting in the car before I go inside. I thank you. I hope you enjoy these videos of this road trip and have enjoyed yourself. Thank you for watching along. Thank you for watching this what is unique so far on this channel. I hadn't done anything like that before, but of the road trip to, and then now back home from Florida. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, hit that like button. If you dislike, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And you, too, can now support Adventures in TV Land if you so choose to, or would like to do. If you've enjoyed this video or any of the other videos I've made, you can go to Buy Me a Coffee, and you can make a donation to Adventures in TV Land there. Until next time, that's a wrap.